In this mobile day and age, we most view videos on our phones, so when it's time for me to review an image-related gadget, sometimes video resolution or quality is not my first priority. And to be honest, many camera manufacturers adopt the same image processor, sometimes including the same cartoony style. The video quality doesn't have a huge difference. It's like when you made a video in 4K out of 4K camera, but when your viewers view on their phones, they will be in 1080p or even 720p, and the viewing experience is not bad at all. So today, as for the DJI Osmo action camera, I'll first focus mainly on the design and user experience, and then the video quality. As for the design, I just pick some of the highlights that amaze me most. The first is its 3 physical buttons. The top one on the left is the power button. Press to turn on, press again to enter standby mode, the screen will turn to black, long press to shut down. The other one is the recording button. When you short press it, it will start recording or taking pictures immediately. On the left is a quick switch button that lets you switch between video captures and other modes, which you can choose in the settings. The reason I like these 3 keys is because you can always find the right button fast in different scenarios. Like in an emergency, for example, when I'm recording videos on my daughter, her cute pouty expression always appears randomly and quickly. Then I use the recording button directly. When you're diving, though I haven't tried that, and you want to switch to different modes, then just press the left button to choose what you want. Or you just want to view the footage you've taken before, then press the power button and choose to view on the screen. This is better than the E4K Plus camera, which only comes with 1 key, and better than GoPro Hero 7. After all, as you are using the action cameras in complex environments, physical buttons are more convenient than touching on the screen. The second highlight of Osmo Action, I guess, is the dual screens. The front is a 1.4 inches non-touch screen, enough for you to view when you're taking selfies. It shows basic information like the SD card, battery, shooting mode, and the resolution. The back is a 2.25 inches 640 by 360 touch screen. Even in direct sunlight, you can see clearly. The last unique design from Osmo Action is the lens filters. You can switch between different filters to shoot different scenes. Although I haven't tried that yet, I've seen someone doing this on YouTube. It looks amazing. I guess some pro users will favor this feature very much. Of course, if you have to ask me which aspects I don't like about Osmo Action, it will be the battery. As you can see, the battery is integrated with the latch, so it's not easy for the third parties to produce the battery accessory. Another one is its lack of the standard 1/4 inch thread, which makes it incompatible to many accessories. But if you have many GoPro accessories, then it will be okay. While comparing to the E4K or E4K Plus, the Osmo Action does feel much more solid and rugged. The shell that surrounds the screen is much thicker and make it more drop resistant. Also, the physical keys bring a more convenient operation. Among all the action cameras I've experienced, I will always say E4K action camera's screen operation is the best. Very smooth, just like a phone. And this includes Osmo action camera too. I still think E4K Plus action camera is the best regarding its smoothness. For the Osmo Action, I feel a bit of lag. However, for the gesture control logic, I think Osmo is way more succinct and easy to navigate. Slide down, you will see some shortcut functions like screen brightness adjusting, screen lock, settings eraser. Slide up is the resolution choices. Slide right to view the footage. Slide left, you get access to the camera menu settings. Why are Osmo's gesture functions way more intuitive? Let's compare this with the E4K Plus. Switching from photo mode to 2.7K 30 fps video mode with stabilization. And this is on E. It takes 7 or 8 steps. And this is on Osmo. As you can see, 3 or 4 steps. The reason why this occurs is Osmo lets you set the most used features as a shortcut, so you can adjust them according to your needs. That's pretty smart. Well, for E4K Plus, it's all in the settings and you have to go one by one to find those settings to adjust, which is less convenient. Beyond that, you gotta know Osmo comes with waterproofing up to 36 feet, a high brightness screen, and a solid design. I accidentally dropped the Osmo Action camera on the hard floor, but it works just like nothing happened. But for you, be really careful about that. All of this contribute to an excellent user experience for Osmo Action. And I'm not even talking about the video quality yet. What amazes me most is the RockSteady feature, namely the electronic image stabilization. It's so great. With this feature, you don't even need a gimbal. Also, the voice recording is extremely good. All of this you can see in the next part of the video. I personally would recommend the Osmo Action camera. It's just perfect for doing vlogs or extreme sports recording, period. And that's it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.在拍广告。